Sir God.
Brother Installing Officer, it is my privilege and honor to present to you Brother Kevin G. Esberto, who has been elected as president of this chapter for the ensuing term.
Brother Kevin G. Esberto. Your brethren and peers, single, place both of your hands in the Holy Bible.
The Pimulay Alumni Association of the Philippines.
And to accord you
To award you
respect to their
duly
duly constituted authorities.
constituted authorities.
To all these,
To all this,
in earnest pursuit
in earnest pursuit
of developing,
of developing,
nurturing
nurturing
the youth,
the youth,
is the Holy Bible, receiving your God. You will now stand.
The Philippines, under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Council Order of Dimulay of the Republic of the Philippines, I now declare the officers of Far East Dimulay Alumni Chapter number 31 duly and regularly installed.
Eh,
grabe ako.
wow.
I tender you this gavel of authority, symbol of authority, together to govern your alumni chapter, walk it with righteous authority, never forgetting that although you are now temporarily
18 public installation of Far East Dimulay Alumni Chapter number 31. First of all, our installing officer, Brother Limuel C. Dizon. Our installing senior deacon, Brother, nahaharapin nating lahat. Naniniwala ako sa kakayanan natin. Thank you, Karina. Kaya natin malampasan basta tayo ay nagkakaisa at nagtutulungan bilang magkakapatid. To all our members and brethren, sana ay patuloy nyo kaming suportahan patuloy nyo kaming suportahan at panatilihing buhay ang spirito ng brotherhood sa loob ng labas ng ating chapter. And to our guests, supporters, thank you for continual trust and encouragement. Your support inspires us to become better leaders and better men. And before I end my speech, I would like to leave some simple message to all of you. If people are doubting how far you can go far away so you can't hear them anymore. Lumayo ka, dalhin mo ang iyong talento, baunin mo ang iyong determinasyon hanggang sa makamit mo ang iyong mga pangarap. Lumayo ka para hindi mo sila marinig at balang araw, iwanan mo silang nakabukas ang bibig. Habang pinapatunayan mo sa kanila kung hanggang saan ang kaya mong dalhin. And lastly po, I would like to thank my family who are all here attend our installation. My wife, sabi nga po ni Worshipful Master, our dad Rainier is nandito. Hindi po ito matutuloy kung hindi po niya pinirmahan yung passes ko po kanina, dispensation ko. Baka wala po tayo ngayon dito. Thank you, Mami, for supporting me always. My kids, my two kids, Gavin and Karina. Yes, ready. To my mom, mommy, and to my mother-in-law, thank you for supporting me always. Hindi ko po alam kung paano ako magpapasalamat, pero advance Happy Mother's Day po. I love you, the both of you po. And to my brother-in-law and my nephews, thank you for attending this memorable.
Morning mercies will depart us from this place. In the chapter, gamitin natin ang FEDA as an instrument para